And we're back for another week at the Kentwood Project,
where demos continue and a little bit of remodel has started.
Yes, nothing's finished, everything is kind of partially started.
Hence this. This is kind of a demo remodel all in one.
True. Well, you're all going to see it soon.
Check out what we did this week. Here's the time lapse.
What a week.
It was a good one.
It was a good week. So, this week, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to recap our most favorite thing and our least favorite thing from this past week.
Deal.
So we'll start with most favorite. Rachel, most favorite thing.
My most favorite is kind of tie, but actually the remodel part. So I really enjoyed, I enjoyed taking this out and putting the header in.
Oh, the taking the wall down.
Even
and
with the fall that isn't quite captured on the screen. Well, it's captured, but it's so fast you don't see it. But
no one was gonna know that we dropped it.
That was my favorite just because it made such a big difference.
Yes.
So that was nice. And then my second tied favorite was.
You have two favorites?
Well, I guess I could save it and let you have that favorite.
No, what's your favorite?
Was the floor putting in the.
That was my favorite.
Because it was so cool and it's like, it's becoming a room.
Yes, so I guess Rachel's favorite things are my favorite things.
Our favorite things.
Our favorite things.
Two things because it's ours.
Yes, the floor was super cool.
Which you guys saw.
It was just nice to see what it's going to kind of be like.
Yeah. It's fun to see it going places.
It smells like fresh cut wood, which is nice.
Yeah, way better than an old house.
Yeah. Much better than dank.
Yeah. So, least favorite was scraping out termite wood.
Oh, yes. So in the time lapse, you might have saw this like little blip of a section of like weird scraping and cutting and pulling out of stuff of this like decaying things. That's termites.
Decrepit wood that was caused by the termites, which they make really cool tunnels, but it's really not fun for your wood and it's really annoying to have to chip it out and replace it. So that was my least favorite thing. Yeah.
And plus it's one of those things that you fix it and no one's ever going to notice you fixed it.
True, but it does look nice right now.
Yes, then we're covered.
But yeah, it's one of those that it's like, it needed to be done, but it's also kind of like...
No one really cares.
Yeah.
Which cues up to my least favorite thing. Is something that no one will ever see or really care about, and that is that HVAC ductwork that you saw me put in. If anyone's watching this and actually does HVAC, they're probably watching it going,
idiot!
Idiot! You're probably going, idiot! Because I did it incorrectly. Now we know. I put a T when there should have been a Y, and I thought I was going to die in the crawl space. It was hot and claustrophobic-y, and it was bad news bears. And luckily, I get to do it all over again.
But this time, we're prepared. We'll do it in increments. I'll spray you with water, or give you water, either one.
True. A really long straw.
A fan. And we have the Y, and we're doing the right connection this time.
Yes, and we're going to do it the right way. So then, for this week's time lapse coming up, you'll probably see me undoing everything you just watched me do. That's going to be fun. In the next week.
True. Now they at least know it's not like deja vu.
Yes.
Although sometimes, it feels like
and acknowledging it is wrong, and we're going to fix it.
But yeah, I would say it's funny that while they aren't as fun to do, I think those are really good things to highlight for demo and remodels, because while we say no one will ever know or it doesn't, people don't see it, but it does still matter. So
yes, it does matter.
Getting the termite wood out was good. Having proper HVAC, people would notice if they weren't getting in.
Yes.
So it does matter.
Yes.
So yeah, that's our week. What is it? Week 2?
Week 3. This is week 3 right now.
Are we on week 3 or that was
We're on week 4. This is the end of week 3.
It's going so fast.
I know.
And slow. Both at the same time.
Okay then.
Alright. Well, that's a wrap. Tour.
I love that you do it with me now. Bye everybody.